Hi buddies, my name is Kimberly Samugana. I'm a content creator. I talk about tech, I talk about travel, and I talk about different ways you can make passive income. Today, we'll be talking about the enforcement of third-party policies for commercial vehicles. Yes, an announcement was made on the 13th of January 2025 by the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kayode Egbetokun. I hope I pronounced that well, but forgive me, sir. Moving on. So, this announcement says that come February 1st, 2025, all commercial road users would have to pay a fine of 250,000 naira if they do not have a third-party policy. Now, what does this mean? It means that if you are driving on any Nigerian road, you have to have a minimum of third-party policies. Now, there are different kinds of policy, and if you don't know what policy is, it's basically an insurance plan that covers your car against things like theft, things like accidental damage, things like fire. So this is what a typical insurance policy would cover. Now, there are different kinds of policy. There is third-party policy, which just covers the third party's car and not your car. And there is also comprehensive policies that covers the third party's car and your car. There's also third-party extension policies, which covers the third party's car and your car up to a certain limit. Now, this means that as a private car owner or a commercial car owner, you have to have any of these policies. But the minimum required to drive on a Nigerian road is third party. Now, what does this mean for someone who wants to make passive income? This means that come February 1st, you have the chance to make extra income by helping insurance companies distribute insurance. Now, to distribute insurance for a traditional insurance company today, you have to be a licensed agent. And there's a whole process to that. However, you can partner with any of the insurtech companies like mycover.ai and sign up as a distributor on their platform. That process takes a maximum of 48 hours to do. Now, when you sign up as a distributor on the platform, you have access to a dashboard and you're able to generate what is called insurance links. Now, this insurance links allows you as a person to now become an agent, or another way of putting it is a distributor. Now, a distributor can sell insurance to anybody, any form of insurance policy, and get a certificate in few minutes. Now, there's a verification process and a KYC process to verifying you as a true person and not a dubious person. They can have their inspection done at that location, and they can have their certificate issued to them in a few seconds. Now, isn't that a cool way to make money? Easy peasy. If you run a chain of POS stations, this is a fantastic way of earning commissions on insurance policies. Now, a fantastic way of doing that seamlessly is partnering with mycover.ai, and you can do that by visiting their website or look at the caption below for their details. Now, when you partner with mycover.ai, you will definitely earn commission. If you partner with a traditional insurance company, you will definitely earn commissions. For road users who probably do not understand the difference between third-party insurance and comprehensive insurance, I would say that the third-party insurance only covers the third party's car and not your car. Now, let's paint a scenario. Mr. A got into an accident with Mr. B. Mr. A is in the wrong. Mr. A's third-party policy would repair Mr. B's car. And if Mr. B has a third-party policy, his own third-party policy will repair Mr. A's car. However, if Mr. B does not have a third-party policy, it means that Mr. A is on his own, because his own third-party policy would cover Mr. B, but there's no coverage for him. This is why I always advocate that you get a third-party extension policy or you get a comprehensive insurance plan. Now, the third-party extension policy covers the third party, which is Mr. B, and gives you some form of coverage for your car, which could be up to 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, or 5 million. Now, you also need to know that comprehensive insurance is 5% of the value of your car. So if your car is 10 million, you're paying 5% of that. If your car is 120 million, you're paying 5% of that. But you also need to understand that paying 5% of 100 million is nothing compared to the spare parts, the price of the spare part of a 100 million naira car. I hope you understand the gist. Now, if you know anyone that has a car, whether for commercial or private use, you need to share this video to them so that they understand the different policies, they know what to do, they can visit my cover like I mentioned, or go to any of this traditional insurance company and get a policy. Share this video, like this video, and definitely subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Until I see you again, bye buddies.